Guava fruit drink,
Stony tangawizi,
blackcurrant,
apple mixed fruit,
Sprite,
Novida pineapple,
strawberry banana,
Fanta orange,
Coca-Cola.
Alfiam apple.
I know they are not much, but we have introduced a very unique flavor, uji mix. We are gonna mix it with some other special drink. You have to watch till the end of the video to see this. Now I'll select drinks randomly from this, and then we'll mix them up and see what we'll come up with. So let's test our magic drink. It's actually very good. Round 2. Ya apple. Wow. Inakaa poa. Ama aje? Shika uonje. Hapana. Inaonja kama maembe, si ndio?
Combine
taste like maembe.
More afya.
More afya, more afya.
And guava.
Guava inaonjanga aje kwani?
Ngadio.
Here's what we form. Gold. So orange plus colorless plus black plus cream plus orange plus equals gold. So let's test this. Ni tamu. It's more of Coca-Cola, si ndio? More of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola ameweza. Coca-Cola is conquer. Coca-Cola is conquer. Comment down below what you think about these drinks. We are going to try and mix the sodas alone and the drinks alone. Then we'll see what we'll come up with. And this is what we have. Finally, I think they're all coming up with a gold color. It tastes like just a combination of everything. It's time to mix all the juices together. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Even before inakaa.
It tastes more of apple.
It's more of apple.
And more of banana. More of...
I don't try this at home. It will leave you confused. Finally, what you've been waiting for. Tuko na uji shake. Uji shake. It's also the first time for me to see this mysterious drink. So let's see what it looks like. Hii inaitwa peach flavor. Uji ya peach. Sijui kama watu wataanza kuongeza flavor kwa uji. And then you have fermented milk and chocolate. We'll see what kind of thing will form over here. Aya, tuanze na uji. Hiyo ndio inakaa tu kama uji. Maziwa lala. Hai. Naogopa kukunywa hii kitu. Inanuka dhambi. But ni tamu. Funny enough. Uji mix, peach flavor.
So porridge that is chocolate flavored.
No. Uji mix.
I don't do manga.
Uji mix. Uji shake, peach flavor. And there's also lemon flavor. Sijui kama kuna flavor zingine. I don't know.
The newest in the market.
Uji flavor. Comment down below what you think.
Convenience for people.
Comment what you think about this ujis, flavored ujis. Uji ya mango. Lesson of the day.
All these are not healthy because they contain preservatives.
Yes, come up with indigenous drinks.
It's better to blend your own juices.
Yes, all this is junk.
to
But
blend your
they
own
are
fruits.
talking, itatupa kwa dustbin. Peace out.